Welcome back to Sarah's Kitchen. We are going to do a no-cook item I'm going to teach you today. So I'm making all of this delicious food that's super uber duper duper fattening because I'm not making a lot of healthy recipes right now. So I had to find a way to inject some fruit and vegetables into this diet while I'm going along on this experiment and journey with you. So I found these really gorgeous smoothies. Obviously, smoothies are super simple. It's easy to whip one up on your own, but I work a full-time job. And Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, I do not have time to think about what I am gonna grab to eat because my job is crazy right now. I'm sure for most of you, our jobs are just a little bit more intense. There's a lot going on, right? We're working hard to make sure we keep things going. So I found this awesome recipe just to put my smoothies together ahead of time. So now I've been doing this on Sundays, and then each morning I can whip one up speedy quick without any thought. And honestly, I don't want to think about food when I'm trying to work. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. This recipe is by Smile Sandwich. You're basically gonna take these ingredients: spinach, blueberries, raspberries, banana, peanut butter or almond butter, and you're gonna put those individually in some little sandwich bags. You put them in the freezer, and then when it's Monday morning and you're like, oh, I'm so hungry, but I need to get to work, you pop it in your blender and you add some almond milk, and voila, you have breakfast. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. First, we're just gonna chop up our bananas. So I use about 3 bananas for 6 smoothies. So you want about a half a banana per smoothie. So we're gonna just dice these up so that it's a little easier to fit into your freezer. Nice and easy. All right, we're gonna open up this bag of spinach. Least favorite sound in the world, so I do it as quick as I can. I have this gorgeous quart of raspberries. All right, so that is all the prep work you have to do. Done, slice of banana. So we're gonna open up our smoothie bags. We need 6 of them. Actually, we need 5 of them because I'm gonna go ahead and whip one up for myself for breakfast because I'm hungry. All right, so then I start with my spinach. I just put a massive handful. So many good nutrients in there for my body. So we got spinach. Now we're just gonna add a little handful of raspberries into each bag. Then we'll do a handful of blueberries, right? You get the picture. So we're gonna add blueberries to each bag. All right, and then we got bananas. All right, so that is all of our fruit. And then the last thing is just to add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter or almond butter to each of your bags. We're not looking for exact science here either. Don't get stressed out about exactness. Beautiful. So now you just toss these into the freezer. Let the air out so they don't get freezer burn. And then that is your smoothie pack, ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna whip one up, like I said, because I'm hungry, and I wanna show you how it works and how it looks. With 4 teenage daughters in this house, when we went to buy a blender, we looked for one that had the little individual smoothie cups like this. So this is a Ninja. Not an advertisement, not paid, just letting you know my tricks. So we found this awesome Ninja, which has these individual cups so that the kids can make smoothies and not have to get out the whole thing, right? So we're gonna dump one of our baggies right into here. This is actually a little easier when it is frozen. Now I'm gonna make a little bit of a mess. I'm making a mess. And then you just add some almond milk. Now I do the almond milk in a couple stages. It just makes it a little easier to whip it up. All right, close enough. Power. Voila, breakfast is ready. Won't that be a great treat this week if you can get these prepped up so you can have them in your freezer? Let me know down below if you decide to make these for you and your family. Also, please subscribe to my channel. I want to see just what we can get done during quarantine on this puppy. I'm really living my lifelong dream, starting to figure out how to film video and produce content that helps people and hopefully brings a little bit of a smile to your face. So like down below, please subscribe and add a comment if you've got an idea of something you'd like to see me make. Have a gorgeous day and wash those hands. Bye-bye.